Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you the process of rerouting this Tiana doll. I already have this other Tiana that I rerouted a long time ago, but I recently found this secondhand Tiana, whose face I prefer a lot more. So I will reroute this one as well, because her hair is pretty bad. I start by cutting off all the original hair as short as possible, and then I dip her head in boiling water. This softens the plastic of her head, which makes it easier to remove the head from the body. Having the head detached from the body, I'm able to take my tweezers and scrape the inside of the head to remove the leftover hair from the inside out. When the head is all bald, I take my reroot hair in bitter chocolate brown, raven black and sable brown that I got from dollyhair.com and start rerouting the doll's hairline. Because I am using a very similar color to the original hair, I did not have to take the time and effort to paint the scalp, because that already matched the hair color that I'm rooting the hair with. Because this doll originally does not have a part rooted in the hair, which I think is one of the most annoying things ever, I rooted my own side part on Tiana. For a more in-depth look on how I do this, check out the iCard in the description. After finishing rerouting the hairline and the side part, I simply fill in the rest of the head with hair. When all the hair is added, I always add some fabric tag glue inside of the head and spread that out evenly with a Q-tip. I let the glue dry overnight before attaching the head back to a body. For Tiana, I decided to give her the Made To Move body that I previously used on my other Tiana reroute. This body I used was the yellow top Made To Move Barbie, and it's a pretty decent match to Tiana's skin tone. The match isn't perfect, but I do think that it's the best option that's available at the moment. Then I take down the doll's hair and get the doll ready for a boil wash. After boil washing, Tiana has this really long straight hair that I think looks really beautiful, but does not fit her too well. I did have a lot of fun with this long hair, but it's time for it to go, since I was planning for her hair to be much shorter and give her a lot more layers as well, for more movement when I curl it. I separate the bottom layer of hair and cut this to the length I want it to be. I did cut off a lot of length, but the hair is still really pretty and long. Then I cut the rest of the hair to the same length to get the perfect base of the cut. When I'm happy with this base length, I add in some layers framing her face as well. And then I start wrapping all the hair in straws, like I showed in my hair curling tutorial. To set the curls, I dip the head in boiling water and after letting the hair cool down, I take out the straws with the hair still being wet. Then I separate all the curls and let the hair dry to reveal the end result. I really hope you liked this Tiana transformation. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my doll restyles, follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!